How was today's concert?
It was wonderful. Absolutely wonderful.
How was the Hannah's violin playing today?
In a word, I would say flawless.
Oh,
She has such a deft touch
yes.
on the violin. It
Oh.
was just brought a tear to my heart. It was beautiful, beautiful. We really enjoyed it. Thank you for sharing.
Yeah. I thought,
It was wonderful, just amazing. She played those harmonics so clear with great feeling and interpretation.
Yeah.
She did lots of things with those black dots.
yeah.
Yes.